Hello, this is Dan the Stickman. We're just going to today show you a little bit of the difference between our 1/2-inch lath and our 3/8 lath. And so here's the difference in physical size for the bundles. So this is my Dan's grade 1/2-inch, which is the bigger square, and the smaller square is 3/8 of an inch lath. So that's the thickness of it. So if we look at that, and this is how you can tell it's my premium lath, is you'll have the orange on both the bundles, Dan the Stickman orange banding. So if you want a visual for the actual size, the actual thickness of this, I've got right here. Here is a 1/2-inch and a 3/8 side by side. And while I'm getting this ready, I can tell you that I pretty much sell 95% of what I sell is a 1/2-inch, nice thick 1/2-inch one. It's right there, 5.5. Nice and thick, and at the 6-inch mark is your 3/8. So there you go with the difference between 3/8 and 1/2-inch. Normally 1/2-inch you can pound really good, no problem. The 3/8 sometimes it's a little more flexible, but if you're hauling it by hand, it'll be easier, and you might have to put your knee up against it if you want a real hard hit on that. So that's the difference in sizes, and that's how you tell is a little bit physical size difference. So there we go. That's 1/2-inch on this side again, and our 3/8 on this side. So hope that helps. And like I say, recommended 1/2-inch is what I've built my business on 95% of the time, but there is the option of 3/8 for you. All right, see you soon.